Good day. My name is Drew, and I'm a New York State certified addiction recovery coach and recovery peer advocate. Welcome to theReset, where we discuss recovery and maintaining our sobriety. Today, we're going to talk about self-acceptance. See, addiction recovery is a multi-layered process. An important part of long-term recovery plans is paying attention not only to our relationships we may have with substances, but also our relationship with ourselves. Acceptance is one simple word that can mean so much to those in and out of recovery from alcohol or drugs. Whether you're new to recovery, just thinking about getting sober, or have been blessed to experience years in recovery, acceptance is key to long-term sobriety. Carl Jung, the renowned Swiss psychologist and psychiatrist, once said, "We cannot change anything unless we accept it." When it comes to addiction, this statement is all too true. Acceptance is necessary for the healing process. To practice acceptance, you must acknowledge all of the uncomfortable parts of yourself, your emotions, your thoughts, and your past. Addiction has a complicated relationship with emotions. See, drug and alcohol addiction can be characterized by difficult feelings such as denial and depression. However, addiction can also deepen these emotions. A key facet of addiction recovery is focusing on rebuilding the relationship you have with yourself. This requires learning to accept your past and present to move forward in the future. Self-acceptance is defined as an individual's acceptance of all of his or her attributes, positive and or negative. Self-acceptance can be linked with a strengthened ability to evaluate our features, in other words, to self-reflect. Self-reflection is another key in recovery, as it can be the path that leads us to recognize our situation, and this recognition can be the driver for lasting long-term change. Addictions are chronic, often obsessive compulsive disorders. This means that a lot of our mental space and energy can be taken up with our thoughts and feelings about our addiction. This can leave us with a range of difficult emotions that can be very tricky to reckon with. These emotions can include shame, guilt, embarrassment, self-loathing, paranoia. These feelings can come from many different places. So how can we begin to challenge harmful beliefs about ourselves, to slowly but surely move towards a place of self-acceptance? One of the best ways to do this is by embracing personal growth, by seeing the need for recovery not as a sign of as a personal deficit, but as a willingness to change, progress, and grow. Other ways you can embrace personal growth includes writing a letter to explain your reasons for recovery. This could be part of your relapse prevention plan. Put it up somewhere where you can see it. Keep a diary to detail your progress. Set small goals. Take time to reflect on your positive actions and thoughts each day. Make a list of what you have achieved during recovery thus far. Attend support groups, 12-step meetings, and acknowledge that difficult does not mean impossible. As you grow and practice acceptance towards yourself, you will be able to be more accepting to others. And when we make peace with the fact that everything is exactly the way it's supposed to be in the present moment, you can make peace with the other variables in life around you, including other people. So for today, tell yourself that you will trust the process and learn to better accept yourself, because sobriety is a superpower and you're a winner. Thank you for joining me today. And if I said anything that's helped you, please like, subscribe, and comment, and pass this on to someone else. Bless you. God bless you, and have a blessed day.